Have you ever wondered how different each planet in our solar system truly is? That's the question we're setting out to answer today as we embark on an interstellar journey, diving deep into the heart of our very own celestial neighborhood. Here, we have 8 fascinating planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Each one with its own distinct character, differing in size, composition, and even weather. Our journey isn't just about naming these planets, it's about understanding the extraordinary features that make each one unique. From the sweltering surface of Mercury to the icy cold winds of Neptune, we'll explore the vast array of conditions that exist right here in our own backyard of the universe. So buckle up, fellow space explorers, because we're about to take a trip unlike any other, a journey that will leave you amazed at the diversity of our solar system. Stay tuned as we delve into the peculiarities of our solar system's celestial bodies. Let's begin with the inner planets, also known as terrestrial planets. These are the celestial bodies that are closest to the Sun, all tucked within the cozy inner circle of our solar system. These planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, share a common characteristic. They all have rocky surfaces and are relatively small in size compared to the outer planets. First up is Mercury, the smallest planet and the one closest to the Sun. It's a barren, crater-filled world, and with temperatures that can reach over 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day, it's certainly not a place for a summer vacation. But don't be too quick to dismiss this little planet. Its extreme temperatures and rapid orbit around the Sun make it a fascinating subject of study. Next we have Venus, often referred to as Earth's evil twin. Why evil, you ask? Well, Venus is similar in size to our home planet, but its thick toxic atmosphere and runaway greenhouse effect make it the hottest planet in our solar system, with surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Our third stop is none other than our home, Earth. It's the only planet known to support life, thanks to its hospitable climate, abundance of water, and protective atmosphere. It's certainly the most familiar to us, yet it continues to surprise us with its complexity and resilience. Finally, we have Mars, the red planet. It's about half the size of Earth, with a thin, mostly carbon dioxide atmosphere. But what makes Mars particularly interesting is the evidence of ancient water flows on its surface, sparking the ongoing question: did Mars once host life? These inner planets, as different as they are, all share the common trait of being our closest neighbors in this vast universe, each one unique, each one with its own story to tell. Stay tuned as we venture further into the cosmos, exploring the outer planets in our next segment. Now, we journey to the outer planets, also known as the gas giants. The first of these, Jupiter, is the largest planet in our solar system. It's so large, in fact, that over 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. Mostly composed of hydrogen and helium, much like the Sun, Jupiter is renowned for its Great Red Spot, a storm that's been raging on the planet for at least 300 years. Next up is Saturn, the second largest planet, often recognized by its distinctive ring system. This planet is more than 90 times the size of Earth. Its rings are made up of countless pieces of ice and rock, which reflect sunlight to give the rings their bright, glowing appearance. Saturn is also lighter than water. If you could find a bathtub big enough, it would float. Moving further out, we find Uranus. This icy giant is unique in our solar system because it spins on its side, with its axis nearly parallel to its orbit. This strange tilt causes extreme seasons lasting up to 20 years. Uranus is also known for its pale blue color, which is due to the presence of methane in its atmosphere. Last, but certainly not least, is Neptune. This cold, far-off planet is known for its deep blue color and violent weather. Winds on Neptune can reach up to 2,000 kilometers per hour, the fastest in the solar system. Its most notable feature is the Great Dark Spot, a storm similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. These massive gas giants, with their numerous moons and ring systems, present a stark contrast to our terrestrial neighbors. Each one, with its unique characteristics and mysteries, invites us to learn more about the vast and diverse universe we inhabit. From the swirling storms of Jupiter and Neptune, to the sideways spin of Uranus and the luminous rings of Saturn, these outer planets capture our imagination and drive our desire for exploration and discovery. These massive gas giants, with their numerous moons and ring systems, present a stark contrast to our terrestrial neighbors. Now that we've grouped our planets, let's explore each one in detail. Our journey begins closest to the Sun, with the smallest planet in our solar system, Mercury. This little planet may be small in size, but it's big on surprises. Mercury's surface is heavily cratered, much like our moon, and it's composed mostly of rock and metal. It has no moons or rings, and its thin atmosphere is made up of atoms blasted off its surface by the solar wind. One of the most unique features of Mercury is its day-night cycle. Due to its slow rotation and orbit around the Sun, a day on Mercury lasts 176 Earth days. Just a hop, skip, and a jump away is Venus, our nearest planetary neighbor. Venus is similar in size and composition to Earth, earning it the nickname Earth's twin. But don't be fooled by the familial term. Venus is a world of extremes. Its thick, toxic atmosphere traps heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. With surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead, it has no moons or rings, but it does have a fascinating phenomenon known as retrograde rotation, meaning it spins in the opposite direction of most other planets. Next we have our home, the Earth. The third rock from the Sun is the only known planet to support life, thanks to its just right conditions, not too hot, not too cold, and with a protective atmosphere that shields us from solar radiation. Our planet is primarily composed of rock and metal, and its surface is about 71% covered in water, which is unique among the known planets. Earth has one moon and no rings. Moving outward, we reach Mars, the red planet. Mars is about half the size of Earth and is made up of rock and metal. Its thin atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, and its surface is rich in iron oxide, giving it its distinctive red color. Mars has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos, but no rings. The most intriguing feature of Mars is the evidence of liquid water in its past, which raises the tantalizing possibility of life having once existed there. Now, let's venture into the realm of the gas giants. First up is Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is more than 11 times the diameter of Earth and is composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, much like the Sun. It has a strong magnetic field, a massive storm known as the Great Red Spot, and a faint ring system. But perhaps the most impressive feature of Jupiter is its moons. It has 79 known moons, including Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system. Next in line is Saturn, the ringed planet. Saturn is known for its spectacular ring system made up of billions of ice particles, ranging in size from tiny grains to massive chunks. Like Jupiter, Saturn is a gas giant, composed primarily of hydrogen and helium. It has 82 known moons, including Titan, which is larger than the planet Mercury. One unique feature of Saturn is its density. Despite its size, it's less dense than water. Further out, we find Uranus. This icy giant is composed mostly of ices, such as water, ammonia, and methane, and it's encased in an atmosphere of hydrogen and helium. Uranus has a faint ring system and 27 known moons. One of the most distinct features of Uranus is its axial tilt. The planet's axis is tilted at an angle of about 98 degrees, meaning it spins nearly on its side. Last but not least, at the edge of our known solar system, lies Neptune. This blue giant gets its striking color from methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue. Like Uranus, Neptune is composed largely of ices, and has a thick atmosphere of hydrogen, helium, and methane. Neptune has 14 known moons and a faint ring system. It's also home to the strongest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of over 2,000 kilometers per hour. Each planet in our solar system, from the smallest Mercury to the enormous Jupiter, holds its unique secrets and wonders. Our journey through the solar system presents us with a universe of wonders right in our own cosmic backyard. Each planet, from the scorching Mercury to the icy Neptune, holds its own unique secrets. As we unravel these mysteries, we learn more about our place in the cosmos and ignite the spark of curiosity that drives us forward. If you're as captivated by these celestial bodies as we are, don't let this journey end here. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up to join us as we continue to traverse the vast expanse of space. Each like, each subscription fuels our spacecraft, propelling us into new realms of discovery. And if you know someone who shares this cosmic curiosity, why not bring them along for the ride? Share this video and let them in on the adventure. Remember, our universe is vast and filled with wonders. Every day presents a new opportunity to learn and explore. So keep questioning, keep learning, and until next time, keep looking up. We've journeyed from the scorching surface of Mercury to the icy winds of Neptune. Along this cosmic ride, we've encountered the fascinating features and unique characteristics that make each planet in our solar system distinct. From the sweltering heat and barren landscapes of Mercury and Venus, to the life-sustaining conditions of our own Earth and the red desert of Mars. We've marveled at the massive gas giants Jupiter and Saturn with their stunning rings and multitude of moons. We've gazed upon the icy and mysterious outer planets Uranus and Neptune, each planet a testament to the diversity and wonder of our universe. The importance of space exploration and learning about our cosmic neighborhood cannot be overstated. It not only fuels our curiosity, but also broadens our understanding of the universe. As we gaze up at the stars, let's remember that each planet has its story to tell. Until next time, keep exploring and always dare to ask what's out there.